So today we are in High Falls in Talladega National Forest, and this is just some random place. We found it on the map that has a waterfall, and we've already been driving for like 4 or 5 hours, so where it looks cool, we're gonna go see what it is. Yeah, we're going to Knoxville and Chattanooga and Virginia and North Carolina. So for the next few videos, we're just gonna be doing lots of nature and random stuff along the way. On the website we saw too, they said the water here is super clear, and so far it is. Look, it's a gum tree fruit.
It's gum.
Fun fact, my mom's allergic to it. Oh. Yeah. Look, over here, it almost looks like a flood or something happened. Everything's all pushed down. I gotta go up now. What is it? Put my name? I don't have a pen. I don't even have my knife.
Oh, I got that big ass spider.
So granddaddy long leg. It can't bite you, it's okay. It almost reminds me of like the desert, kinda. Is it cold? No. It's beautiful here though. It's peaceful. Ah! I'm wet. Look, they got a little campsite over there too. If you wanted to like set up your tent, you definitely could right there. That's a cool spot too, right underneath the cliff. First little waterfall. Okay, so it's pretty beautiful here. And we just flew the drone too. And oh my God, okay, that was a good view. I'll put it up now, but you could see just all the way around in a complete circle is just mountains. Oh, it was beautiful. So I know this trail is short. I think we just have to go like another half mile. Oh, that's perfect hammock swing. We made it to the first one. Yeah, they were nice. First waterfall, done. Boom, this one's beautiful. They said there's a second bigger one just right up the hill. And I think I see the way right here, so. What? Ooh, mushroom. That's a cool mushroom. Look, the grasshopper's on the mushroom. We're going the right way. Here we go. Are we in Asia again? Ooh, yeah, see, this one's good. We made it. All right, so this walk is so short. It's maybe like a 15 or 20 minute walk. I don't know if you can see that though, but yes. Like it's so humid right now. If you're gonna do this, come in the morning. But I'm about to get in because it's that hot that I cannot not get in. So. Oh yeah. Oh, look, it's a crayfish.
Crayfish?
Yeah, little crawfish. Little baby one. Great throw. But it's okay. That was the goal. Oh, yeah.
Is it cold?
It's cold, but it's so hot that it feels great. You know?
Yeah.
Honestly, this is just about the best thing you could do after a 4 to 5 hour drive is to come chill here. Look at that. Ooh, crystal waterfall. And honestly, again, I forget it a lot because I always like to travel out of the country more, but I forget that just like a few hours from Florida is all of this, bro. It's just crazy, you know? I forget that America has cool stuff, you know? Yeah, because this is a good one. There he is, there he is. Look, a little baby crayfish. It's cute. He tastes good too. God, look, it's a baby salamander too. Ooh, we're seeing all sorts of nature up here. Look, that's so cool. Look, I've never seen one like that. It's small and it obviously lives in the water all the time. So we got nature. We got baby salamander right there. Okay. Then we got crayfish right there, and then there was another baby crayfish in there. Ooh. All right, well, that's it for High Falls. That was just a quick little stop. I mean, you could definitely stay here longer if you wanted. I have no idea where the next part of the video is going to be. We have no plan right now. It's literally just going wherever we feel like going. So
look at that tree.
Yeah, look. Oh my God.
We have to
dangerous. Quickly. Ah. It's not dangerous.
Not even attached to anything.
It's not dangerous. Okay, so we're back at the car now, and yeah, that's it. This was a good one though. Okay, it's the next day now, and we are in Chattanooga, and today we're at Ruby Falls. So far, the view from up here is super beautiful. Like, I flew the drone, and the drone view was incredible. But yeah, today we've got two things. We're going to Ruby Falls and then to like Rock City, which they both look super cool. This is the biggest underground waterfall in the world. So, yeah, let's go. Like they even have Wi-Fi in here, and it works too, apparently. Yeah. The service does it though.
Right here, we've officially made it 650 feet into the cave. This is the first place that Lambert and his crew would have been able to stand up when they originally came through.
It was tight.
Right there looks great.
Yeah, that's super cool. Yeah, it's like glowing.
Y'all watch your heads right here.
Every formation is a unique work of art. Nature paints a beautiful and sometimes peculiar underground landscape.
That was it. That was honestly longer than I expected to walk, but definitely worth it because, I mean, look at this, bro. At first when you're walking in, it's kind of spooky because it's all dark, but oh man, once the lights kick on, it was crazy. Oh my gosh, look at the waterfall behind it too. That's neat. It's like a fern, ancient fern.
Please make your way through the cave tour hallway in the village gift shop.
All right, we're out now. But yeah, so I never talked about the price for that. It was like $60 for the both of us. I think it was like 28 each or so. So that's honestly not a bad deal. The walk is easy, and there's like tons of cool stuff on the way. Like there's all the like different formations. Comparing it to like Cathedral State Cavern, the one we went to in Alabama, I think Cathedral was bigger, but the waterfall here, like obviously was like the best part about it though. That was super cool. And then all the lights behind it too give it like a cool vibe, and the music. And the tour guide there was super like funny. Like she was like kind of cringy funny, you know, like the jokes, but it's funny and good and nice. So
Oh yeah, we come here the first group at 8 and it's not crowded. On the way out, like the second group that we see is like around like 20, 30.
Yeah, 20. It was a big group. Yeah, so probably coming early or like later in the day might be best here.
Yeah.
And the history behind it too, they had a whole video and stuff explaining it all. It was pretty cool. Yeah, so this is definitely a good stop. Yeah. Next, going to Rock City. Boom. Oh yeah, and we got this. It was really expensive though, to be honest, but So we're at Rock City now, and actually Rock City isn't in Tennessee anymore. We're in Georgia, but it's just right on the border of it, so it's basically Tennessee. And we got our tickets online for both of us. It was about $60 again, and we got it for too late of time though. We got it at 10:45, except the guy said we can go in at 10:30, which is in like 2 minutes, so we've just been waiting. I went here one time when I was a child, and I remember it was cool, so we're gonna come back and see it. I barely remember it all. I know there's a waterfall and some caves and some lookouts and stuff, so yeah. Yay, Rock City! You follow the gnomes. You follow the gnomes, show you the way. Look, see, there's one gnome, and then there's other ones along the way. See, they got a little fudge kitchen. Smoky gnome. The smoky gnome. National pork. Wow. Ooh, national pork. Oh.
Where are we going?
To the map. So far, it's pretty beautiful. You start off in this like corridor with all the little waterfalls. It's pretty high up too. How do we get up to that bridge? Look, there's a bridge up there. Look, it says please stay on the trail. What if I want to go in there? What if I want to go in there though? So it just basically means don't leave your shit here and keep it beautiful. Oh. Simplified.
English. It's hard.
Keep it beautiful. It's so peaceful here and quiet, and they got the nice music playing. Ooh, it does feel kind of like magical, you know, or like mystical. And then the old bridges and stuff. And it's high up too. It's so high up. This reminds me of Thailand now, a little bit right here. With the big trees and the cliffs and stuff, kind of like Taiwan or Thailand a bit.
You know what it reminds me of? Temple.
Temple? Yeah, I know. It kind of has a temple vibe. It's like calm, you know? It's good.
Temple in the jungle.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Look at all the cool things too. And we also saw online that you can do a night walk through here, and all of this is lit up, and they have like cool color lights and stuff. But it was pretty expensive. It was like $50, I think, each. So that's a lot. Oh yeah, is it geothermal? What does this say? Is it warm? It's not warm. It's just steam. Into the needle's eye. It's getting tight. Oh, it's getting tight. Oh my god. Oh, if you're fat, you could not fit.
It's scary.
It's pretty cool.
It's look like Kenting, right?
Yeah, that's what I mean. It reminds me of like Taiwan or Kenting a bit. Just the without the coral landscape, you know? It's more flat. Yeah, see, there's a gnome. See? You follow the gnomes. There's a gnome, see? The gnomes lead the way. It looks kind of weird. The goblin underpass. Goblins, babe. No, that's Gollum, not goblins. Goblins are just spooky monster. Spooky monster cave. Yeah, super cool. Yeah, we're getting close, I think. This is really cool. I definitely didn't appreciate this place as much when I came here as a kid, but coming here now, it's beautiful. I love it. Definitely worth the price. And we're just getting started, I think, too. This is like a Skyrim vibe or some sort of video game Lord of the Rings vibe. It's like really peaceful. It's good. It's also steep down there too. So steep. There's another one. What? Oh, it's a river. It's loud. Can't even see it though. Oh, what a hard choice. Oh look, Shelter Rock. It's in the shade. Let's just go this way and then we'll come back here. We're going. No, let's go. We're going on the sketchy bridge. It's not that bad. It's better than the one in Thailand, you know? It's okay, we got it. Oh, look at the view too. Ooh. It's okay, it's okay. It's stable. And from this view, you can see 7 states. No, we haven't been here. Look, it's gonna get tight again. Fat man squeeze. It is what it's called. Like, fat man squeeze. You can already feel the temperature difference. Up on the sun up there, it was getting really, really hot. Oh my gosh. It's so tight. Yeah, if you're fat for real, like I'm being serious, you might not be able to fit through there. Like it's that tight. Ow. Oh my god. They're working hard. They're working so hard. What? Oh, a gnome? How'd they get in there? Yeah, see, at night, everything's lit up. Glow in the dark.
Where are we going?
We're in Fairyland Caverns, baby. So, it always feels so good when you get down into the caves. Ooh, we're getting into the cave.
Careful.
Oh, it's getting wet. It's getting spooky. Oh, spooky ghosts. Yes, the floor is wet. They're mining the diamonds like Minecraft. Oh my god, these gnomes are working hard. That's cool back there though.
Yeah.
That's neat.
Probably handmade though.
Maybe. Oh look over here too. He's imprisoned. Yeah, this place is pretty cool. Like they got the Harry Potter music playing. It's all wet. Oh look, there's what?
Snow White?
What? What is happening? He's sleeping in there. What? Stop. Don't be that. He's reading. This place is pretty neat, dude. Everything is cool.
A fairy tale.
Yeah, it's fairy tale. With Harry Potter music. Yeah, I think it is. No. Now it's the gnome village. Red Riding Hood? Red Riding Hood. Jack and the Beanstalk.
This is the old owner who lived in a shoe.
Oh,
Mommy, this one.
what is it? I know it. God, it's huge. What? Okay, caramel and a raspberry jelly and a raspberry truffle, and that's it.
Let's see what we got.
Ooh, new hat. It was $20, but I needed a new hat. I don't even work at First Watch anymore, so I don't know why I wear it. Now I got one. Ha!
You like it?
Yeah, it's good. It's good. We got some snacks. They have like a fudge kitchen there. And it was pretty cheap. It was like buy two, get one free. And so it was like $4 for 3 little pieces. So, I mean, it's not great, but it's not terrible either. So, all right, this one, raspberry truffle. I got two.
Oh.
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
Raspberry and dark chocolate, so you're gonna like it. It's not that sweet. Yeah, that one's good. We gotta wait though.
You don't have milk.
I know, I'm about to die, bro.
And the other one is sea salt chocolate, I think, right?
We got milk chocolate.
Milk chocolate.
Next one, sea salt caramel. That one's my favorite.
Really?
I just like milk chocolate. So yeah, that's it for Rock City. This place honestly was like pretty impressive. I mean, it's definitely a really unique place for sure. I mean, I would compare it up there with Japan as like a cool, unique sort of area, you know. It definitely doesn't feel like America. It's got like a Skyrim vibe to it and all the cool fairy tale stuff. And the Fairyland Cavern, when you're walking through, they've got all the different like old fairy tales that they made, and the art style was kind of interesting and weird and different, you know. Their faces are almost kind of creepy.
Yeah. But it's even the weather is hot, but inside the cave and stuff's like super cool.
Yeah.
Not super cool, but it's cool enough.
Yeah, it feels way better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good. And gotta have.